So in this passage, in their study of whether offering a guarantee of service quality will encourage customers to visit a particular restaurant, Tukey and Talaga have found that effect of such guarantees is mixed. So we're talking about some study, and Tukey and Talaga are talking about its effect on whether it will encourage customers to visit a particular restaurant or not. Okay, its effect on the restaurant. For high-priced restaurant, there is some evidence that offering a guarantee increases the likelihood of customer selection, probably reflecting the greater financial commitment involved in choosing the expensive restaurant. For lower-priced restaurant, where one expects less assiduous service, Tukey and Talaga found that a guarantee could actually have a negative effect. Okay, so they are comparing what sort of effect it will have on different kinds of restaurant. Okay, high priced restaurant versus low priced restaurant. A potential customer, okay, so in a low price restaurant, potential customer might think that a restaurant offering a guarantee is worried about its service. Moreover, since customers understand a restaurant's product and know what to anticipate in terms of service, they are empowered to question its quality. This is not generally true in case of skilled activities such as electrical work, where consequently a guarantee might have a greater customer appeal. So they're comparing what sort of appeal it will have in restaurant versus other industries, other kind of services. For restaurant, generally the main benefit of a service guarantee probably not so much in customer appeal as in managing and motivating staff. So main benefit could be something else. That's what it says. Staff members would know that what service standards expected of them, also know that the success of business relies on that adhering to those standards. Additionally, guarantees provide some basis for defining the skills needed and for successful service in areas traditionally regarded as unskilled, such as waiting tables. So it starts with a study. Okay, it discusses its effect on different kinds of restaurants. That's what primarily it does. Okay, why it could have a positive or negative impact on different kinds of restaurant. So the primary purpose of the passage is to question the results of a study. They are not questioning the results, they are discussing the results of a study out. Discuss potential advantages and disadvantages of service quality guarantees in the restaurant industry. We'll keep it as of now. There's nothing wrong with this. Examine the conventional wisdom. So the passage doesn't talk about any conventional wisdom anywhere, that this is what is believed by people and this is what is happening. There is nothing like that. Argue that only certain restaurants would benefit from the implementation of service quality. It's not arguing, it's just discussing what effect it will have on certain restaurants. Okay. Consider the impact of service quality guarantees can have on the service provided by the restaurant. No, that's again not the concern. Concern is offering a service quality will encourage customers or not. Okay. So what will be customers' response? So B is the only option that checks that. It can be inferred that the author of the passage would agree with which of the following statements about the appeal of service guarantees to customers. Okay, so it is mentioned between this and this. Okay, so it discusses both high price restaurant versus low price restaurant. Such guarantees are likely to be somewhat more appealing to customers of restaurant than to customers of other businesses. Now if it says in other businesses the guarantee might have a greater appeal, so this is wrong. So it's not the restaurant business, it's the other businesses that will have bigger appeal of such a guarantee to customers. Such guarantees are likely to be more appealing to customers who know what to anticipate. This is also opposite of what it says. Since customers understand a restaurant's product and know what to anticipate in terms of service, they're empowered to question its quality. Okay. Such guarantees are likely to have less appeal in situations where customers are knowledgeable about a business's product or service. That's what it says. In situations where a high level of financial commitment is involved, a service guarantee is not likely. This is again opposite of what is said. Okay, offering guarantee increases the likelihood of a customer selection, probably reflecting the greater financial commitment. So in that scenario, it will have more impact. In situations where customers expect a high level of customer service, a service guarantee is likely to make customers think that a business is worried about its service. So now where customers are worried about, where customers can have this kind of perception, it is not where high level of customer service is there. It's with a low price restaurant. Okay, so where customer service is not that of a concern. According to the passage, Tukey and Talaga found that the service guarantees, when offered by a low price restaurant, can have which of the following effects. So if you see, this option C is what exactly is mentioned in the passage. Customers interpreting the service guarantee as a sign that management is not confident about the quality of its service. So that's simply the answer.